Welcome back to Shib, everyone. The CEO of Binance has purchased a $4 million Shiba Inu. Today's SHIB news: the Shiba Inu team's official Twitter handle reports that the original intention to introduce Rio Plaza as a new hub did not work out. But they provided the Wagmi Temple hub to users in a novel method, and the reaction was astounding. We'll discuss about the Binance CEO's $2 million purchase of Shiba Inus in this video. Today's SHIB news. Remember to give the video a huge thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel to see our most recent articles on expert analysis and Shiba Inu price forecasts. Let's get the video started right now. Rio Plaza was absent, but the SHIB team compensated by providing the Wagmi Temple hub using Unreal Engine 5.1. The message was accompanied by screenshots of Wagmi Temple, a hub that was previously shown off in concept art earlier this year. We appreciate you coming to the holiday fireside with us. The feedback that has been arriving is simply amazing. We wanted to return to Wagmi Temple and give everyone a first glimpse at the hub within the globe, even though we were unable to present Rio Plaza. Happy holidays, exclaimed the SHIB group. The community was praised by the SHIB team for participating in the online fireside discussion for the Christmas edition. Unreal Engine 5.1 enhances the realism and vibrancy of virtual landscapes in video games created with Unreal Engine, a 3D computer graphics gaming engine developed by Epic Games. The SHIB Metaverse Twitter account announced a giveaway in honor of the event earlier this week. A digital piece of land from the metaverse would be awarded to one fortunate person. The metaverse consists of 4 land parcels, one of which is Silver Fir. The 4 tiers totaling 24,384 virtual land plots are as follows. Tier 1 is known as Diamond Teeth, Platinum Paw, and Gold Tail, and its 17,030 land plots are divided into 5,714 and 7,156 land plots, respectively, for tiers 2 and 3. The tier with the most land is Silver Fir. That being said, as the number of Shiba Inu owners increases, the most popular meme coin has reached a new user milestone. Over the past 2 days, there has been a significant growth in the number of token holders. Data from wallet tracking firm WhaleStats indicates that during the past 2 days, there has been a sharp increase in the number of SHIB users, by more than 2,000. On December 6, there were 1,256,165 users, and within a day, 800 more users joined. A staggering 250,000 new SHIB members signed up in spite of the crypto winter that started in February this year. The biggest whales on the Ethereum network added little more than $2 million worth of Shiba Inu to their wallets throughout the course of the previous day, according to a tweet released by WhaleStats. According to a recent tweet from the WhaleStats wallet tracker, the top 500 Ethereum whales presently possess $73,867,853 worth of Shiba Inu meme coins. Compared to Friday, this is $2 million more than they had. At the current SHIB currency rate, this amount is equal to 216 billion Shiba Inus. WhaleStats reports that the average SHIB balance of whales has increased by 1.43% in the last 24 hours. $73,867,853 in SHIB, $48,320,415 in Uni, $37,978,346 in an unidentified token, $36,674,990 in Locus, $36,270,233 in Bit, $35,448,552 in Best, $33,546,122 in MOC, and $27,485,181 in Link are the holdings of the top 500 Ethereum whales. A chart from the WhaleStats website indicates that the transaction volume of SHIB had a jump on Thursday and Friday, as indicated by the whale leaderboard. It peaked on December 9 at $26,565,765. Whales continue to acquire SHIB, SHIB remains, and the community has been sluggish to resume its regular fires. In the last 24 hours, there was a 60% decrease in the SHIB burn rate. Whales actually transferred an incredible amount of over 5 trillion SHIB on Friday. The cryptocurrency watchdog Whale Alert disclosed 2 transactions totaling almost 2.8 trillion Shiba Inu coins. Around $52 million in currency is equivalent to this quantity of meme coins. Tokens can be moved in such vast quantities, though, if cryptocurrency exchanges reorganize their stock. Whale Alert flagged the wallets involved in those transfers as unidentified, thus it's possible that Whales will now distribute SHIB again. After Binance announced that it would be selling its FTX token holdings, the token's price fell by 3% in the last day. Binance made its decision in response to a leaked report claiming that approximately 40% of the assets of Alameda Research, a trading company with close ties to FTX, are made up of exchange utility tokens. The news is mostly to blame for FTT's 12% weekly decline as well as the coin's 73% decline from its peak of $84.15, reached in September of last year. In the coming days and weeks, FTT might sustain additional losses due to increased suspicion regarding the liquidity of FTX's assets. This helped to somewhat stabilize the price of FTT, but Binance's announcement that it will be selling its token holdings has suddenly made the situation worse. It has more than $500 million in FTT in its possession, while the actual amount is probably larger. Not only will Binance's action impose intense selling pressure on FTT, but it also suggests that Binance has grave concerns about FTX's and Alameda's financial stability, which is detrimental. Binance CZ seemed to compare FTT and FTX to Terra, which crashed violently in May of this year, in a later tweet. As a result, the future doesn't seem promising for FTT. Its momentum is currently downward, having lost 12% of its value in the last week and 63% in the previous year. Let's return to Shiba Inus now. Although the price of Dogecoin has been rising faster than that of Shiba Inus, things can yet change. Should the current state of the market continue, SHIB may take command of the market and rise, while Doge may aim for smaller goals. In the fall, Dogecoin's price executed an incredible upward rally, giving investors back 180% of their lost market value. In contrast, the price of SHIB continues to be unchanged. SHIB investors had a 25% decrease in the auction results in November. Even while Doge has unquestionably been the superior asset to own, on December 7th, the 2 infamous meme coins may be about to switch places with the aid of comparing technical analysis tools. In the upcoming weeks, the price of Shiba Inus might surpass other competitors. By applying a straightforward division equation between 2 assets, investors can use TradingView.com to ascertain which asset will perform better than the other. In this instance, since August 2022, Dogecoin has clearly outperformed Shiba Inu in terms of price when divided by Dogecoin. Doge has fared 172% better than SHIB. Investors can also examine each item separately to verify the effectiveness of the formula. Doge has increased by 163% since August, yet SHIB has only experienced a 50% upswing jump during the same period. The Doge/SHIB chart clearly displays a 5-wave impulse according to Elliott wave theory. Additionally, on November 10th, the technicals rebounded from the 38.2% FIB level, and on November 31st, they printed the double top configuration. By comparing the swing high in November to the swing low in August, the Fibonacci retracement level may be determined. The last-minute 52% recovery rally by Doge between November 14th and November 31st produced the displayed rally. In the same period, the SHIB price dropped by 177% of its market value. In the event that the Doge/SHIB chart has crested, a slide toward the lower targets can occur in the opposite direction of a Shiba Inu rally. Put another way, the price of a Shiba Inu would rise by 40% following a dive into the golden pocket 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level. It is important to remember that the above situation might also show up on the Doge/SHIB chart if the price of Doge fell by 80% while SHIB stayed completely unchanged. The primary scenario is the more plausible one because of the link between both assets and Bitcoin. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, which shows a divergence between waves 3 and 5 on the daily chart, lends credence to the theory that SHIB may shortly outperform the price of Dogecoin. The retreat that causes the desired rotational power shift for investors could be sparked by the divergence signal. We're done for today. Remember to hit the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel in order to watch our most recent videos.